Wisdom and trending market analysis. Remember to like and leave your tea and comments down below. So on to our daily financial wisdom of the day is the 5 most dangerous words in trading are, but this time it will be different. Okay, so let us move over to our chart analysis and to see how we're going to be trading today. Make sure we're still trading within the trend. And as usual, we always start with EUR USD to make sure. We start with that one first. Okay, so this particular market is still a buy, friends. We had our buy order in there, but some pullbacks have happened. So we're just going to wait and see what the market tells us to do. GBP USD. Okay, friends, this is also another buy market. We've just been buying that for a while, and we're skimming off the top. So as a reminder, we always pay ourselves first. So go ahead. If you have a large enough lot size, you're able to skim off the top of that lot size. USD CHF. This is a sell market. We've been selling that for a while. So it looks like it's finally kicking in. So we're going to wait until tomorrow and see how this fares, okay? USD JPY. This is another sell market for us. We've just been skimming off the top. EUR CHF. This is also another buy market. We've been buying for a while. EUR GBP. This is also a sell market. We're waiting for some stuff to rally. Maybe tomorrow morning, but we'll wait and see what the market has to say. Okay, EUR JPY. This is also a buy market. If you're not already in this market with a buy order, probably go ahead and stay out of it. Pullbacks are happening in here. So usually sometimes major pullbacks to know that a trend change could be happening, but we have to wait and see. GBP CHF. Okay, this is also a buy market. We're just trying to wait and see if it's going to do a little bit more rallying. And then we're just still skimming off the top. We're just making small little profits there, but we're just going to wait and see how the market fares tomorrow. GBP JPY, another buy market, which we've been doing that for a while. And we're going to look at CHF JPY. This is also a sell market. Yeah, it's just moving really, really slow. So we're just going to wait and see how this transpires. Okay, friends. Okay. So now we're going to move over to the oil markets. And so I want to show you some of these charts here and why there's some markets that we stay out of and the reason why we do. So let's bring up our charts. Okay, so the first market that we are going to be looking at is Brent crude. So the green line is the 50-period moving average line. It's in between the 200 and the 500. When it goes into this category here, when the green line goes in between those, we do not trade within that range, friends. We trade outside of that range. If you can go back up here when the trend actually changed, if you can look at the charts, the shading when it was a blue, in that blue mode there, when the green line and the blue line there, that is a buy signal right there. But when that blue shading fell into the red, that denoted that the trend changed for the oil market, for Brent crude. We would have placed our sell trade here where the blue turned into red. That's where we would start placing our sell trade, and then we would let it ride all the way down like it is right now. Okay, so everyone who got in, we got in early here at the top of this red, when the red line became visible. They're doing great. We're just skimming off the top. Okay, and our next market that we're going to be at too is WTI crude, and basically the same with this particular chart. We see that the 50-period moving average line has moved and is in the in between the 200 and the 500, and in that instance, we do not trade in that region there. We trade when we trade above that, not in between here. When that blue shading turned into the red shading, that is where we do our trading. We would have placed our sell trade right when the blue turned to red, and we would have placed our sell trade there and rode it all the way down. Okay. So, and that goes for Brent crude, Brent spot, WTI crude, and WTI spot. Okay, and now we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to move over to this particular chart here. Okay, so this particular chart, okay, we see that this is still a sell market. So the green line is not within those two other lines. It's this, and we see the red shading, which denotes that this is all a sell. This is, the trend is sell. The green line denotes that this is sell, because when it's underneath, when the green line is underneath the 200 and the 500, we know that is a sell market. And then the red line just confirms how long the sell trend is going on. So we can see that Bitcoin is still selling. It's at 16,800 now. It's still selling. Okay, so we're going to be moving on. We can close up us right here. And then we're going to be moving on to ETH-USD. This particular market is still selling as well, friends. LTC-USD. Okay, this particular market is buying. And then let's take a look at silver. So we're going to open up our chart, see if we have that available here. Okay, we're going to take a look and see, do we have... Okay, we do have our silver chart available. So let's take a look at our silver chart. Now we see that the green line is underneath the 200 and 500, which is a sell market. But as you can see here, that there's that the line has gone from red to blue to red to blue, and now it's standing at a blue right now. So that tells us that the market is eventually going to go to a buy. So that's where we're at right now. We are buying silver because of this blue shading right here, friends. Okay, that's how we know. Okay, so we can close that up there. And now we're going to go to silver. Silver is also buying. We had our buy trade in there. It's not doing too much rallying. So we're just going to wait and see how things fare for today and tomorrow. Okay, we're just going to see how things fare. Okay, USD-MXN. Okay, this is another sell market there. EURNOK. Okay, this is also a sell market. But there's some major pullbacks that's happening in this market.